Okay, so this is the prelim topics for our psych subong. So let's talk about mental health care delivery system in the Philippines and its importance and impact in the community. So when we are going to talk about mental health care in mental health care, we're also going to talk about the mental health care delivery system. So what does what is it all about? So it states that communities prosper when the mental health needs are met. So ang muna siyang keyword, communities prosper. Because unaddressed mental health issues can have a negative influence such as homelessness, poverty, employment, safety, and the local economy. And other examples are like overcrowding, poorly functioning units, chronic staff shortages, and funding. Also, may kita constraints and other more ongoing problems which are particularly in peripheral facilities, meaning sa mga lagyo ng mga lugar. And without proper treatment, the consequences of mental illness for the individual and society are staggering. Therefore, untreated mental health conditions can result in unnecessary disability, unemployment, substance abuse, homelessness, inappropriate incarceration, and suicide, and even poor quality of life. And according to the World Health Organization, they have reported that 1 out of 5 people suffer from mental health problem worldwide. And we're going to talk about in the Philippines, gin-state man na din nila there are only 5 psychiatrists per 10 million Filipinos. And the prevalence of mental health disorder ranges from 11.3% and 11.6%. But if we're going to but if we're going to talk about the annual average increase, it is about 2.0%. And therefore, we have seen that there is an increasing number from 7.0% up to 12.5% from the year between 1990 and 2019. And also, we have gathered a data that there are 970 million people around the world struggles with some mental illness or drug abuse. So, una siyang keyword. So, pilang struggle around the world sa mental illness and drug abuse. Mental illness or drug abuse. So, there are 970 million people. And also, it states that 1 in 4 people will be affected by a mental illness at some point in their lives. So, correlated ni sila gali. Kay sama ni ang 970. May keyword siya nga some. Mental illness and drug abuse. So, 970 million people suffers from mental health at some point at some mental illness or drug abuse, and it also states that there is a 1 out of 4 people that experiences mental illness at some point in their lives. And also we have a percentage of 14.3% record of deaths worldwide, or it is approximately 8 million deaths per year. So 14.3% ang gakapatay worldwide, and it is approximately 8 million deaths per year. So going back again, according to the World Health Organization, 1 out of 5 people suffer gid sila mental health worldwide. And also sa Philippines, mayroon kitang 1 there are 5 psychiatrists per 10 million people na Filipinos. And also ang prevalence rate na is the range siya from 11.3% to 11.6%, and the gradual annual increasing numbers is increase siya by 2.0%. And may kulang pa. Mm. And there is an increasing number from 7.0% to 12.5% na record nila from the year 1990 to 2019. Also, there are a 970 million people worldwide ang gasuffer din at some point sa mental illness or drug abuse. Also, it also states na 1 out of 4 people or 1 in 4 people gasuffer man sila mental illness at some point in their lives. And lastly is there is an estimated percentage of 14.3 deaths worldwide or approximately 8 million deaths per year. Okay. So, going back, kita naman sa date, take note naman kita sa October 12, 2023. Bali, ang muna siya ang date nga held ni Department of Health in collaboration with the World Health Organization in regarding sa muna siya ang Philippine Mental PCMH na siya mo. Philippine Council at Mental Health. Philippine Council for Mental Health. So, bali sa October 12, 2023, nag-launch si Takchok to. Okay. So, sa October 12, 2023, nag-launch si DOH in collaboration with the World Health Organization sa Philippine Council for Mental Health or PCMH strategic work. Amo na siya ang year 2024 to 2028. Sakto. So, ang purpose na is to guide and develop mental health policies, programs, and services. Also to address significant burden of mental illness and improve mental health and well-being in the country. Also, we have this program called Ginhawa ng Isip at Damdamin. So, this is one of the sector's 8-point act. One of the health sectors, one of the Ginhawa ng Isip at Damdamin. So, this is one of the health sector's 8-point action agenda. 8-point action agenda para sa Healthy Pilipinas. So, this is a Department of Health. This is regarding with the Department of Health Administrative Order number 2023-0115. So, this is a 5-year strategic plan. 5-year strategic plan from 2024, 5, 6, 7, 8. From 2024 to 2028. So, it talks about the MNS, mental, neurological, and substance abuse in order to betterment the brain conditions about the DEA, which is depression, epilepsy, and A for A. Mari pa si A. Alcohol abuse. Okay, luwat. So, bali sa October 12, 2023, may ginobra si DOH in collaboration with the World Health Organization. Amo na siya in a program called Philippine Council for Mental Health or PCMH strategic work. So, this is from year 2024 to 2028. This is to guide the policies. Also, we have this program called Ginhawa ng Isip at Damdamin. So, this is one of the health sector's 8-point action agenda para sa Healthy Pilipinas. This is in order to address issues regarding mental, neurological, and substance abuse. Mental, neurological, and substance use disorders regarding with the brain conditions from DEA, depression, epilepsy, and alcohol abuse. So this is a 5-year strategic plan, 2024, 5, 6, 7, 8. Also, nagambal man si Health Secretary Teodoro J. Herbosa. Nagambal man si Health Secretary Teodoro J. Herbosa that he is confident that we can address more mental health concern in the country. Also, mayroon man kita sa the World Health Organization Special Initiative for Mental Health, the Patient-Centered Medical Home or PCMH. PCMH mo sa Japan, pero Patient-Centered Medical Home. PCMH. Wala, kabalo. Nag-chat mga classmates ko. Nagbalo. So there is an estimated 26% of Americans in ages 18 and older or 1 in 4 adults ang suffer from diagnosable mental disorder. So diagnosable gid siya. So sa mga Americans sa mga Amerikano 26 to sila 26. Sa mga Amerikano to 26% na sila na ano gid tayo. Okay. 26 na sila kabilog nga 18 years and older or 1 in 4 adults ang may suffer sa diagnosable mental health disorder. And kung sa age naman niya, 35 to 44, 18 and older, sila 26, hindi sila ka-percent. So, 1 in 4 sa ila, mayroon sila diagnosable mental disorder. Diri naman, mga gaedad 35 to 44, sila ang mga highest increase in mental health. Kung highest increase, and also we have the highest rate. Highest increase na din sila sa mental illness. Okay, highest increase na sila sa mental health. Kag ang 35 to 44. Oo, 35 to 44. Diri sa tunga, may 18 kita to 34 sila ning highest rate naman niya. Diri highest increase. Highest increase, highest rate. Highest rate is 18 to 34 years old. Highest rate sa mental illness at 50% sa 2023. Liwat. Sa diri nga side, 26% na din sila nga 18 years and older, an estimated 1 in 4 adults na suffer from diagnosable mental health disorder. Diri naman niya are nadi ages naman 35 to 44, sila na ding highest increase sa mental illness. Diri naman niya are di in 18 to 34 years old, which sila ning pinaka having the highest rate sa mental illness. Yes, highest rate sa mental illness na 50% by the statistics ng 2023. So, amo taliwata ang goal sa MH-GAP program. So, MH-GAP stands for Mental Health Gap Action Program. Sakto. MH-GAP stands for Mental Health Gap Action Program. So, ang target na nga mga groups of people are the low and lower middle incomes, which have the largest numbers ng mga MNS to, ang mga mental, neurological, and substance use in order to settle GRI, grief, depressive disorder, debt, psychosis, epilepsy or seizures, FP, intellectual disability, ID, harmful use of alcohol and drugs, SUD, suicide, SUI. Ayun ang downs, causes sa MAD. Okay. Downs, causes sa MAD. D for dopamine, so amo siya mga delusions and hallucinations nga makakause ang schizophrenia and Parkinson's and mania. Next is we have the acetylcholine. Amo na siya ang major neurotransmitter in peripheral nervous system. Sakto pagkabati mo. Dopamine, hallucination, delusions, gina siya dahil niya, mga makakos, gina siya, schizophrenia, Parkinson's, niya, kung acetylcholine, ang ginakwanta mo siyang major neurotransmitter sa peripheral nervous system. Pagkabati mo acetylcholine, dapat Alzheimer's dayon. Acetylcholine, Alzheimer's, okay, may L. Next is, tangs, norepinephrine. So pagkabati mo sa norepinephrine, may inang naman siya catecholamine neurotransmitter. Acetylcholine, norepinephrine, acetylcholine. Norepi, may acetylcholine na si norepi. So norepinephrine ay catecholamine neurotransmitter na siya. Catecholamine neurotransmitter na siya sa sorry. Sympathetic. Dili sympathetic nervous system kag parasympathetic nervous system. Okay. Those causes dapat pagkabalik mo dopamine, mga kakos ka siya ng mga schizophrenia, Parkinson's, mania, masyang delusions and hallucinations. Next is acetylcholine. Si acetylcholine pagkabag sa acetylcholine, Alzheimer's, kinadayon, ang siya ang major neurotransmitter sa parasympathetic nervous system. Next is the norepinephrine. Pagkapatay mo sa norepi, acetylcholine na siya. Oh, gapasay mo, Kurt ba? Good morning. Kailangan ko tulog na.
Gani. Amo lang tong ang saman.
Saan mo na, ne?
Salo, saman. Sa mga meeting.
Norepinephrine. Ang tayo
Ang minimig.
catecholamine neurotransmitter sa sympathetic nervous system. Pagkapatid mo sa norepi, mania, ginagayon niya. Makapasira siya mania.
Ang neurotransmitter, para sa sympathetic lagi niya.
Neurotransmitter na sila tanan.
Para sa DNA ang neurotransmitter.
Ay, tatlo lang gali ang neurotransmitter.
Kagaduwa ko kay pares lang minig ka neurons. Ay, ang susugo.
Tapos lang taring quiz na. Online lang.
Bago ka. Ang neurons ro, no?
Ay, wala na ko doon nagtuon niya.
Meow.
Wala lang, dili lang ko dahil sa mga neurotransmitters.
Di na lang. Ano na yun?
Ano dira? Wala pa ko na, wala na ko na nagtuon.
Mga central nervous system.
Wala na.
Hindi ka lang na sa utro. Drea.
Diri ka nagsugod doon.
Sudang sama. Wala ko na yun.
Para na,
Mental health.
ano na, lubat na naman siya.
Sila na
Sige, kaya sa neurotransmitter. Matawagin mo, hindi siya magawang super tone talaga. Sige lang, process naman. May gawin. Inyong bibig.
Tapos, ang sabi yan.
Ang dance process naman.
Ano po yan?
Ha?
Tapos go.
Dance, down, process sa
Adan po sa sabi.
For example, BCT. Si dopamine, ang tuloy sa di ba S, di ba radical S. Si dopamine, makakuha siya, schizophrenia, Parkinson's, Camilla. Ano siya yung silikon?
Sa?
Dito, sa dance no, sa
Sandals.
Oo. Di ba mo na siya sa tipid, di ba yaw? Ari, oh. Dance causes sa mind. Yung silikon niya, si dopamine, makakuha siya, schizophrenia, Parkinson's niya. Sa acetylcholine, makakuha sa Alzheimer's. Si norepinephrine, makakuha sa mania. Si GABA, makakuha sa
magaling.
So,
Tama.
mga siya, parang may causes siya.
Ang causes nila sa piyakang sa amad nila yan. Hindi.
Dopamine.
Ako sa ulo. Loko ka doon. Hindi ko basta.
Tama na siya. Sige, try. Sige,
Ang
try.
D dopamine. Ang A acetylcholine. Then ang N neuropinephrine.
And? Lagay ikaw, no? Hindi ko sunod.
IDA.
A. Anong A?
Acetylcholine.
Si acetylcholine makakos.
Ang Alzheimer's.
Next.
Ang neuropinephrine.
Norepinephrine.
Lorna.
Ay,
Norepinephrine.
Norepinephrine.
Pero
Norepinephrine.
silent A.
Hindi siya salitig. May pronounce siya by norepinephrine.
Okay.
Hindi siya norepinephrine.
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 Tapos G GABA stands for anxiety disorder. Then for
Anong last?
wait. Tsaka last
Meron pa.
awin na sa ang last
Downs. S.
IS ang serotonin.
Ano?
Serotonin.
For I causes.
Causes for depression and anxiety state.
Sige. Sige kung silo-silo ang takati.
So yan.
Ano ang mga neurotransmitter ang makakause niya?
Wait. Ang neuro. I know.
Oo. Ano ang mga neurotransmitter makakause Alzheimer's?
Alzheimer's. Acetylcholine.
Correct. Makakause depression and anxiety states.
Ang GABA.
Wrong.
Ay, anxiety state. Kaya ang serotonin.
Sakto. Ang makakause schizophrenia, Parkinson's and mania.
Ang dopamine.
Makakause anxiety disorder.
Anxiety disorder. Ang GABA.
Correct. Para lang magaling. Nalaga video pa ko ni Blackheart.
Totoo?
Kinabidyoan ko akong